If you want to delete your search history in Google Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to clear your browsing history, search history, and other saved activity in just a few clicks. This is really useful if you want to protect your privacy, free up space, or simply clean up your browser and start fresh. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, remember that your search history can include websites you visited, searches you typed into the address bar, and general browsing activity. So if you want to fully clear that out, you'll need to use Chrome's built-in Clear Browsing Data option. Now for the fastest method, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This is the shortcut that opens the Clear Browsing Data window instantly. If you prefer, you can also open the Chrome menu, go to History, and then choose the option to clear browsing data. But the keyboard shortcut is usually the easiest and fastest way. Once the clear browsing data window appears, look at the top and choose a time range. You'll usually see options like last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, and all time. If your goal is to remove all search history from Chrome, select all time. That way, Chrome will clear everything instead of just a small recent section. Next, make sure you select Browsing History. This is the main option that removes the sites you visited and the searches connected to your browser activity. If you also want to clean up more data, you can optionally select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Just keep in mind that these extra options can sign you out of websites and may temporarily slow down loading the first time you revisit some pages. Before deleting anything, take a second to make sure you only check the items you actually want to remove. If you only want to clear your search and browsing history, then browsing history may be enough. But if you want a more complete cleanup, selecting the extra options can help too. Now click Delete Data. Chrome will begin removing your browsing history and search history based on the settings you chose. Depending on how much data you have, this may take a few seconds. Once it's done, your selected history will be cleared from Chrome. And that's it. You've now deleted your search history in Google Chrome. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference if you want a more private browsing experience or just want to tidy up your browser. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.